So a couple months ago, we had this well drilled, and it's about 250 feet deep, and today I wanted to send the GoPro down there to see what it looks like. So let's take a look and see what's down in the well. Okay, it's going. There's a video on YouTube of somebody just sitting a dumb GoPro down a well, just like this. It's got like 2 million views. It's like 10 grand. So I was like, if I just send this dumb GoPro down the well, I'll get a free well. I'll put it on DIY man. Water actually pretty clear. No, it's gone. You put it in my laptop. But I'm going to send the bucket down after this. No, but well, we're not going to find it. Oh, we have to fill up the well.
Yeah, it looks like the water is about 100 feet down or so. Check the camera and see for sure. Okay, I didn't lose my camera, so that's good. All right. GoPro in a well.